answer, yes or no lang. Hindi, kasi kung you cannot say, din tanga ka, sorry. Then you're stupid, you shouldn't be the director of DHSUD. Come on, don't make us tanga. Huwag kang magtanga-tangahan, sir.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Tulfo. You may want to have an opening statement.
Not right now, Mr. Chair, but later. I'll reserve it for later when the question and answer portion is already on.
Yes, you may start the ball rolling, Senator Tulfo.
I don't see the presence of the representative from the HLURB here. Ikaw. DHSU Sud NCR. Okay, and you're the regional director? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Dural, pwede pakisabi sa amin yung proseso bago mabigyan ng permit to sell ang isang developer tulad ng Dmci?
Sir, first thing po, sir, is before the issuance ng license to sell, meron po munang application for the issuance ng development permit, sir.
Development permit,
Yes, sir.
okay. Gotcha. And then?
And may mga different requirements po, sir. And among po doon is, vital po doon is yung sa title, sir.
What was it again?
Vital po doon yung,
Vital?
vital po yung sa title, sir.
Vital sa title, yung development permit.
Yes, sir.
Ano po yung nakalakip doon sa development permit? What are you looking for in before issuing a development
So,
permit?
sir, dapat sa title, sir, mayroong free from liens po sa
The title, free from lien.
lien or
That is the major requirement.
one, sir.
Okay, what else?
After that, sir, although sa development permit level, sir,
So ibig sabihin, when you say free from lien, dapat doon sa titulo walang annotation.
supposedly, sir.
Supposedly.
Sir.
Okay.
Then,
So, direct to the point na agad ako. So bakit nabigyan ng development permit? Pero bago dyan. So, nabigyan ng development permit
Sir.
ang DMCI.
yes, sir. May,
Okay.
There's a chance po kasi, sir, na,
Nabigyan sila, yes or no lang, di
yes,
ba?
sir, yes, sir.
Kaya hindi naman sila makapag-develop
Yes, sir.
ng
Yes, sir.
high-rise condo doon sa pinag-usapan na ngayon kung hindi dito sa development permit that was given them.
Yes, sir.
And sabi nyo, isa sa requirement,
Yes.
dapat para ma-issue ng development permit, kailangan free from lien yung title.
Yes, sir.
Now, yung pong titulo sa DMCI na pinakita sa inyo, dito po sa property na pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, anong pangalan ng DMCI itong property? Sabi mo sa kanila.
Ivorywood, Your Honor. Ivorywood Residences.
Ivorywood Residences. Okay. Meron ba kayo nakita annotation doon sa titulo?
Yes, sir. Meron po mga annotation, sir. Meron ding encumbrances, which ang nag-file naman ng encumbrances ng notice of dispendence, sir, is yung DMCI, sir.
Teka muna. So meron kayo nakita annotation.
Yes, sir.
At alam nyo na ito is under dispute at nasa korte
Yes,
yung
sir.
kaso. So bakit nyo po gino yung pag-issue ng development
Kasi
permit?
sa, in practice, sa DP, sir, naalaw po yan kasi meron pa naman pong license to sell, sir.
No. No. Sabi mo kanina, primary requirement para sa development permit to make sure free from lien yung title.
Yes, sir.
Very basic yan, attorney. Lawyer ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Now, bakit nakalusot sa inyo na merong annotation doon tungkol sa problema nito sa litigation at nasa korte and yet pinayagan ninyo? Yun lang po.
Sir, if I may say, sir, we don't know po sa wisdom ng sino pong that time ang regional
So
director.
you don't know the wisdom of the person who approved it. Who did approve?
Yes, po, si
What's his name?
Engineer Tan, sir.
Engineer Tan. Pero bago approve ni Engineer Tan, sino pa yung mga taong kasama doon sa kailangang kausap niya at mag-agree sa kanya na ito ay dapat i-approve natin despite the fact na merong annotation sa titulo? Who is or who are, kung marami man sila, those people? And where are they now?
Nag-evaluate po, sir.
Yes, where are
Yeah.
these people?
We have Engineer Julius Tan, sir.
Engineer Julius Tan?
And po si
Okay.
Annabel Narce po.
Is Annabel an engineer?
Engineer po, sir.
Engineer Annabel Larce.
Narce po.
Annabel, ano po?
Narce. And
Larce. Okay. And then who else?
Engineer Julius Tan, sir.
Julius Tan, Annabel Larce. Sino pa po?
Yun lang po, sir. Tapos ang mag-approve po si Alfredo Hill Tan, sir.
Alfredo Hiltan.
What is the designation of Alfredo Hiltan?
He's the regional officer that time, sir.
Regional
Officer, sir.
officer?
Yes, sir.
What is
Regional
the
director.
huh?
Regional director.
Anong function niya?
Siya pong director, sir, ng HLRP at that time, sir.
He's the one who approves?
Yes, sir.
He was the one who gave the go signal?
Yes, sir.
Where is he?
He's dead, sir.
Patay na?
Retired.
Deceased. How about Engineer Julius and Engineer Annabel?
Retired na, sir.
They're all
Yes,
retired.
sir.
Okay. Now, Magkano nitong si Alfredo at saka si Julius?
Sir, pagkaalam ko sir, apelyido lang po sir.
Maybe even if they're retired, Mr. Chair, we can invite these two people, these two Engineer Julius and Engineer Annabel, in our next hearing. In our next year hearing. Now, ang aking pong pinagtataka rito, nangyari ito noon, then there's that possibility mangyari ulit ito. Ano pong mga measures put in place by you, some corrupt people there sa HLURB o DHSUD na para hindi na maulit tong ganitong klaseng kabalastugan, Attorney Dural?
I think kung ano po sir, in place naman po yung administrative cases sir, just in case sir.
No, I'm not talking about after the fact. I'm talking about before it happens. Kasi tapos na eh. Nag-retire na ito. For all we know, yung isa patay na, hindi ko alam kung nasa langit, nasa impyerno siya. Yung dalawa, retired na, di natin alam kung nasa Bahamas na ito o kung saan na nagpapakasasa na sa pera na binigay ng Dmci. I don't know. We don't know. So ano nga yung systems that you put in place, policy and procedures to make sure itong kabalastugan na ginawa ng mga tao ninyo dati ay hindi na po maulit? Ikaw ang director, you should know.
Yes sir.
So ano pong nilagay nyo?
Ang ano po sir is, I'm having a sir when
You're having a what?
this case was called upon sir. Kasi,
No, sir, you're not answering my question. You're hearing me, you can hear me, but you're not listening.
I'm sorry sir.
For the end time, anong proseso, polisiya, takalan, ang inyo pong inilatag, nang sa gayon, hindi na po mangyari ito. Kasi ang binabanggit mo after the fact, meron kasi kayong mga sanctions, discipline. I don't need that. We don't need that. What we need is a policy put in place para hindi na maulit itong ganitong klaseng korupsyon. I'm sure korupsyon to eh. Hindi naman, ito si Director, hindi naman basta-basta siya papayag na babalututin niya, susukayin niya yung patakaran, walang perang itinapal sa kanya. Ganon din itong dalawa. May perang itinapal. Kung magkano, sila nakakaalam. Do you agree? They will not violate yung pong patakaran. Nasabi nyo, para mabigyan ng development permit, ang isang tulad ng Dmci, kailangan free from lien yung titulo. Nakita nila na may annotation. And yet, ginawa nila. So, you agree na mayroong corruption doon? Yes or no lang?
I could not say.
Yeah, you just answer yes or no lang. Hindi, kasi kung you cannot say, then tanga ka, sorry. Then you're stupid. You shouldn't be the director of DHSUD. Come on, don't make us tanga. Huwag kang matanga-tangahan, sir. You're not gonna be an attorney if tanga ka. I have high respect for all attorneys because you guys studied for so many years and have to pass bar, now which is very difficult to pass. Okay? Now, don't tell me with a very simple answer that I need from you, from a simple question that needs simple answer, nahirapan ka. Pakitanong lang. Pakisagot lang. Abogado ka, sanay ka magpagbakbak sa korte siguro noon.
Yes, sir.
Now, ulitin ko, yung ginawa nitong tatlo, na binayad ng isang capital rule para makapag-issue ng development permit sa isang developer upang makapagbenta ng mga condominium units, binantat nila yung patakaran. May corruption? Is it because of corruption or not? Yes or no lang? May corruption doon?
Sir,
Sir, sagot mo lang, meron wala lang. Meron wala lang. Hindi, don't say na I don't know. Kasi kung hindi, baka ipakulong kita sa baba. Kasi niloloko mo kami. Can we put them under oath, Mr. Chair? Muna, para madali na natin pakulong mo ito.
The COMSEC
Mga
is
sinungaling.
instructed to administer the oath. Bago mo sagutin, mag-oath ka muna.
Can we ask the Dhsud representatives to just stand up?
Dhsud.
Please rise.
Warning muna, no? Bago kayo mag-oath. Tulad sabi ni Mr. Chair. Paskong Pasko, doon kayo nakakulong sa baba. Kung kailangan namin gagawin yan, sa ngalan ng katotohanan, sa ngalan ng taumbayan, and we will not hesitate to do that.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this inquiry of the Committee on Labor? Please say yes.
yes.
Okay, please be seated.
Attorney Dural,
Yes, sir.
you answered the question of Senator Tulfo.
So after having it put on oath, under oath, now, ulitin ko po yung question ko, be careful, yung pong ginawa nitong tatlo, Engineer Julius Tan, Engineer Annabel Marce, Director Alfredo Hiltan, na binayad nila isang rule para makapag-issue ng development permit sa isang developer bago makapagbenta ng mga units. They violated that cardinal rule, number 1 rule, na dapat walang annotation sa titulo. Nakita nila may annotation and yet they still went ahead. May corruption ba doon o wala? Yes or no? Ayoko lang, I don't know. Dahil kung sinabi mo, I don't know, pakukulong kita sa baba because nagsisinungaling ka, you know better. Yes or no lang po ang sagot.
Kasi sir,
Sir, pakisagot lang ng yes or no because if you said, dahil pa lamang, I'm telling you, if your answer is, I don't know, then ipakukulong kita, I promise you. Kamusek, pakiready na yung kulungan sa baba. Magpapasko, dito ka makukulong. Christmas at Christmas, dito ka magpapakulong. I don't mind kung isasagot mo, no, yes. When you say no, because I'm stupid, that's why my answer is no. Yes, because I'm smart enough, that's why my answer is yes. Huwag niyo lang kami lukuhan dito. Sinespeto namin kayo bilang mga abogado, respetuhin niyo naman kami bilang mga senador. And we've been doing this for a long time, for several times already, so hindi na kami pwedeng lukuhin. So pakisagot lang po, yes or no? May corruption doon, yes or no?
I think sir, no sir, no sir.
There's no corruption.
Yes, sir.
Why is that? Bakit walang corruption?
Yes sir, after ng issuance on development permit sir, there's still a chance na they can submit the non-incumbency license to sell sir. And tapos for the fact
No, so sorry. No. Di ba, ulitin ko, cardinal rule, nung makita nila ng annotation, dapat doon pa lang, sa step 1 pa lang, may balik na yung application. Hindi na dumating sa step 2. Sinasabi mo kasi meron pang tsansa. Di ba?
yes sir.
O ano yung tsansa na yun?
Yes, sir, based on our record, sir, yung notice of dispendence pa lang po. Notice, hindi pa siya convert for a record, sir. Not,
Oo nga, sir. Di ba may mga step yan?
yes, sir.
Sa first step lang, nakita nyo na agad na may annotation, sana hindi ka na tinanggap yung application. Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Before that, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
So there is corruption. That's my opinion. Salwat sa tanga mong opinion. Your opinion is so tanga. I don't know kung bakit ka naging director o nagtatanga-tanga ka lang.
With the,
Sa mga kadahilanan.
with the permission of Senator Tulfo, Attorney Doral, if you were in the shoes of sino yun? Mr. Tan, who passed away, okay, when he was director, would you approve the development permit citing the circumstances regarding the land dispute? Are you going to, if you were the director who was approving this development permit, are you, at that time, aprobahan mo, bibigyan mo ba silang development permit?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi.
Hindi po, sir.
Contrary to what your predecessors, itong sila Mr. Tan and the rest of the names that you mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. Nasa ako naman.
Because there is a land dispute.
Yes, sir.
Bakit inokaya nung mga nakaraang opisyal?
I don't know what's the
So?
on that, sir.
So why don't you revoke it? Do you still have the power to revoke the issuance of the development
We
permit?
can, we can issue a cease and desist order for them to stop selling, sir. Parang ganun, sir.
Nag-order na kayo to stop selling?
We sent already a notice to them.
To stop selling?
Usually, sir, we have due process. Sir.
Why don't you order them to stop selling the units?
Yes, sir, I've asked them to explain, sir. Why not? Then after that,
When did you ask them to explain?
last week, sir, this information came to us just last week, sir.
Or when are you going to revoke the order approving the development permit?
We have issued already, sir. So we've give them the DMCI time to make an explanation. So part
How many days?
10 days, sir.
Have they answered? Not yet.
That's it, sir. That's it, sir.
How many days already? Ilan days na hindi kayo sumasagot? When did you write them? Kailan nyo sila sinulatan?
We wrote them December 6, sir.
December 6.
Sir,
So it will lapse on December 16.
yes, sir.
Are you preparing your letter?
We haven't received the letter yet, Your Honor.
Registered mail po, sir.
Huh?
We sent it through registered mail, sir.
Registered mail. Ano na yan? December 11 na yun.
Wala pa, sir, kaming natatanggap. If you have been consulted, Your Honor, we will going to comply immediately.
We can have them also receive now personally, sir, if ever.
Where is the evidence that you mailed it by yung registered mail? Posible naman hindi lang matanggap.
Hindi pa, we haven't attached it
Ha?
yet dito, sir. Sa record, sir. Nasa records pa po namin.
Nasaan? Pakita ka dito.
This is our letter, Your Honor.
Bigay mo sa page. And if you find them guilty of any violation, so are you willing to order them to stop selling the units?
Yes, sir.
How many units have you already sold?
I think, Your Honor, the all 131. 131, Your Honor.
Out of? Hindi naman ano ito.
Check your
Nasaan yung, hindi nyo ba kinuha ng picture na niregister nyo?
So,
Sulat ito eh, pa.
yes po, yan po yung pinakuha namin, sir.
You show this to them kung meron sila natanggap.
Can I do a follow-up question, Mr. Chair?
Senator Tulfo.
I'm not finished with you, Attorney Doral. For the meantime, Attorney Gascon,
Sir, 131 po yung affected. I think
Out of?
Huh?
Out of?
965, Your Honor.
So you have already sold 131 units
For the affected building, Your Honor.
for the affected building out of?
965. So, project, Your Honor.
Kung sabihin ng Dhsud na stop selling, ano mangyayari dun sa pinagbenta ninyo?
yung follow-up ko nga po, Mr. Chair, nainformahan na ba yung mga nakabili na there's an ongoing hearing dito sa Senate dahil nagkaroon ng malaking kapalpakan sa desisyon ng Dmci kasama ng Hlurb at nasa korte, etc. Have they been informed?
Yes, Your Honor. I think last week we have met the Ivorywood residences because they came.
And what was the reaction?
Of course, Your Honor, some of them are worried. And of course, we kinausap po namin sila na Dmci will take good care of this.
How would you take good care of this?
Yung mga affected, Your Honor, if in case po, of course, we will going to compensate them or we will going to whatever they paid, we will going to return it to them, Your Honor.
Reimbursed?
You will reimburse the owners, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, the affected.
I-reimburse nyo. Kung wala na sila mga kukutirahan, paano? Permission itong ginawa nyo. In the first place, even before the Senate hearing started, you knew for a fact that there was a land dispute, okay, that is pending before the courts. In fact, yung results is adverse to your company. And why did you still start selling these units to these buyers? Kawawa naman itong mga bumili ng units ninyo. And now you're telling them, pagkatapos pagka-adverse yung ruling sa amin, kukompensate nyo. Halimbawa ako bumili. Ano natalo kayo? I-compensate nyo ako. Wala na ako ibang tirahan. Saan ako pupunta? Saan ako titira?
One of the ways that we're going to Your Honor is, of course, we will look into them another, we will offer them another place to
Kung hindi sila pumayag,
that's the, we're going to discuss it for
ang problema ninyo, ang lalakas ng loob ninyo, nagbebenta kayo ng mga units na alam nyo na may kaso pa. Parang nakakasiguro kayo na makakakuha kayo ng favorable ruling sa korte. Ang lakas ng loob ninyo. That's why I want the presence of Konsungi here. Because you guys cannot answer. My God, this is already our third hearing. You are praying for a favorable decision from the court? Again, what if adverse yung ruling sa inyo? You want to answer, Mr. Austria?
Yes, regarding your question on why we proceeded with the development, as I said in the previous hearing, it's because, to our knowledge, no, we have settled with the workers involved. No? The workers had the claim of a certain amount, and we settled them, we paid them, and so we did not see any risk at that point, no, because they were paid and there was an agreement. No? So that's the reason why we proceeded.
But Mr. Austria, I already told you, in our previous hearing, even though na naareglo nyo na po yung mga complainant, kahit pa happy sila doon sa settlement ninyo, tatangahan pa rin po yun. Why? Kasi po, pag nilabas pa rin ng Supreme Court ang desisyon nila, let's say not favorable to Dmci, to you, wala pa rin kayo magagawa. Orderan pa rin kayo ng Korte Suprema, kung ano yung previous decision na in-MR nyo, it will still stand. Diba? Ginagawa niyong pag-aareglo kung nasa RTC pa lamang. Am I right? Pero kung nasa Supreme Court na, hindi na po kayang habulin yon. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit na naareglo yung complainant, what if sinabi ng Supreme Court, ang desisyon namin ay yung loting yan lahat, ibibigay sa mga complainant. Wala kayong magagawa, right? Pwede sabihin ng mga complainant, yung binigay nyo sa aming areglo, wala kayong pakialam dyan, sundin natin ang nakalagay sa Supreme Court. Wala kayong protection.
Ang tingin ko kasi namin ang issue dito yung compensation for the workers. Yun yung talaga ang
No, I'm talking about decision from the Supreme Court. Inuunahan yung Supreme Court eh. Inuunahan yung korte. Kasi ang lakas ng loob nyo, tulad sinabi nga ni Senator Jinggoy, ang lakas ng loob nyo. Why? Ba't ang lakas ng loob niyo? Parang nahulaan nyo na po yung pag-iisip ng korte na kahit na may decision lang, kaya nyo pa rin i-reverse yan. Parang wala kayong respeto sa mga taga-Korte Suprema. Parang mababa ang tingin ninyo.
hindi naman po.
So dapat, habang nililitis yung kaso, wala mo na kayong aregluhan. You wait for the final decision.
May order yung Supreme Court po na i-areglo with the workers po.
Pero yung areglo with the workers, hindi talaga eksakto kung anong nakalagay doon sa Korte Suprema. At dapat, bago kayo makipag-areglo, dapat dumaan kayo sa Korte Suprema.
Your Honor, yung ano po kasi, yung lumabas po yung Supreme Court decision, ang sabi niya, 1/3 will go to the workers. And then, of course, we don't want them to ano nga po muna, but with the group of
Kaya nga yung 1/3 na sinabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nyo naman sinunod yun eh. Di ba? Hindi nyo sinunod.
yung mga workers ko kasi, sir,
Hindi nyo sinunod yung okay. Nakalagay sa 1/3 Supreme Court, in-MR nyo yun eh. Kasi ayaw nyo eh. Hindi kayo pumapayag eh.
Your Honor, yung partial MR ho namin, hindi na ho namin tinatch yung 1/3. Hindi na ho namin tinatch yung mga kasi for MR, inano na ho namin yung parang tinanggap na ho namin yung decision ng Supreme Court that the 1/3 going to the
Pero yung 1/3 na nakasabi sa decision ng Supreme Court na hindi mo sabi mo hindi mo NMR, binigay mo ba exactly as what stated doon sa decision ng Supreme Court na 1/3?
actually, Your Honor,
Sagot ko, yes or no? Yes or no lang, sir?
yes, sir.
Binigay mo lang, kabon, baka gusto mo, makukulong ka sa
Hindi, sir, yung bago sa nung 1/3, yun po kasi sa hinihingi ng mga worker.
Kaya nga, so yung value ng 1/3, how much is the value of the 1/3 and then how much yung natanggap ng mga inareglo ng complainant? Kasi pag hindi mo sinasabi mo, pakukulong kita hanggang Pasko, New Year, kasi ilalim.
Lumapit po sila sa amin, they're asking for compensation, and then we valued the property at 12,000, parang
Yung evaluation, meron ka silang guidance from the people from the court para masiguro na pwede yung binigay yung valuation kasi for nyo, pwede nyo silang lokohin, pwede nyo sabihin, 10 piso lang yung halaga niyan, well, in fact, dapat 100 piso.
nung nagkamit sila, sir, after po nun, nag-settle, kumbaga pumunta ko sa presence ni labor arbiter.
O mamaya yung labor arbiter, sino yung kausap mo? Yayariin ko tong labor arbiter na ito kasi isa pa.
Nakafile sa yung compromise agreement na pinipano ng mga work ng 5 workers and also the
Sinasabi ko sa dito, Attorney Gascon, bago kayo nakipag-areglo, sige, hindi nyo natin sinama sa MR. Kailangan nabigyan ng maayos na guidance ito mga worker. At least man lang nasunod yung tamang fair market value ng property na yan. At meron nagsasabi sa kanila isang professional real estate, not yung independent real estate people na will give a fair value, market value. And then sinabi sa kanila na ito yung amount ngayon, ito ang amount na i-refer namin. Kasi I'm sure walang nagsabi sa kanila kung magkano yung fair market value, basta't kayo nang nag-invento, kayo nang nag-offer. I'm sure ganun nangyari.
lumapit po sila and then they offered the property to us before. Siyempre, yung offer nila, meron ho silang price na binibigay kasi meron ho silang parang tumata yung kasama ho nila doon. Tapos, of course, nung sinabi ho nila sa amin na ito yung presyo na gusto nila, of course, nag-counter offer ho yung Dmci ho doon na ito yung kung pwede, ito yung
Yeah, sir, di ba kung ano nakalagay dun sa order ng Supreme Court, dapat sundin nyo to the letter. Exactly, hindi magtatawaran kayo. Come on, guys. Huwag naman yung ikutin niyo pa ito. Kung ano yung nakalagay sa Supreme Court na order na entered, and kumuha kayo ng expert na real estate, magaling mag-value ng market value ng real estate, at yun ang kinukonsulta ninyo, independent, hindi yung magtatawa na, of course, these people doesn't know.
Nung nilaro po kasi sila nun, sir, nung time na lumapit po sila sa amin. Actually, ang sabi ko namin sa kanila, we will comply with the decision of the Supreme Court.
Oh.
We will give them the 1/3. We will portion the property and we'll give, ibibigay ko sa kanila yung 1/3 portion.
Kaso hindi nga napunta yung exact amount.
Yeah po.
Okay, yun ang kailangan ko, hindi nabigyan. Okay, okay muna ako for now. Balik na rito kay Attorney Dural. So, Attorney Dural, sabi mo kanina, nung tanungin ka ni Senator Jinggoy, na kung ikaw ay nasa sitwasyon ni Alfredo Hiltan, yung dating director, predecessor mo, hindi mo gagawin yon. Bakit hindi mo gagawin yon? Dahil, sir, wag nagpaikot-ikot, please lang. Dahil,
Hindi naman talaga gawin. Kasi sir,
kaya nga, bakit hindi mo gagawin yon, yung ginawa ni yung predecessor mo?
kasi kulang po ang kuha natin dun, sir. Kulang yung document, sir. Although, sir, ganito, sir, can I explain, sir?
Okay.
Kasi sa development permit, sir, ang requirement po talaga is certified true copy ng title, sir. Pasensya, nervous lang kasi, sir. Certified true copy ng title, sir. Tapos, dito sa practice po namin ngayon, sir, ang ginagawa namin.
Certified true copy lang?
Apo, certified.
Isn't that bullshit? I'm sorry, strike it out of the record. Come on, kaya pala ang daming corrupt sa inyo.
Di, sir, sa,
No, dapat hindi certified, dapat yung mismong title nasa harap ninyo.
Nasa-
Kasi kung certified true copy, pwede nang yung nagsicertify na true copy at malinis yung dokumento, etc. Tulad nga ito, yung patay, binuhay nga nitong tao nito eh. O pag certified true copy, anybody can make up stories. Pwedeng sabihin itong certified true copy na itong dokumento, sinacertify ko, ito'y malinis at dumaan pa sa langit ito.
kasi yun naman po ang sa IRR, sir, na certified true copy lang po, sir. So we just followed it, sir.
Sa IRR, certified true copy lang?
Yes, sir.
Well, then I have to see that IRR. Whoever did that IRR, sinong nag-craft niya, nagbuo niya, stupido.
Yes, sir. So certified true copy lang po, sir.
So kaya nga, kasi dun sana man lang certified true copy with the title itself.
Yes, sir.
Kasi anybody can lie. Ito nga, liar to eh. Oh, hindi nyo naisip yun. Katangahan nyo yun. Alam nyo naman, certified true copy, pwedeng gawa-gawa ng istorya lang. Pwede magsinungaling doon. Ito na nga, nagsinungaling. Binuhay niyang patay. So,
Sir, kasi yung sa certified true copy, sir, is parang copy din naman yun from the LRA, sir. Like ganito.
oh, pero may annotation doon. Kung certified true copy, so certified true copy, maliban na lang kung binura. So, hindi binura, exact copy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nakita pa rin na may annotation. Oh,
Sir,
Ikot
sir,
mo pa naman.
nag-explain po ako, sir.
hindi kasi sabi mo, certified true copy lang will suffice, right?
Yes, sir.
So, kung certified true copy yun, granting hindi niya dinaya, naging honest pa rin siya, doon sa certified true copy, may kita pa rin na may annotation.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir, we're talking about sa development permit po, sir. So, certified true copy lang po nakalagay sa IRR. Pero in our practice, sir, dito sa yung time ko na, sir, kay certified true copy po yan, pinapacheck na po namin kung meron na po mga annotation.
exactly.
So, kaya, kasi...
So, yung sinubmit na certified true copy dito sa kaso na pinag-usapan natin ngayon, meron bang annotation?
Yes, sir.
Doon sa kopya? Oh, yun pa rin. Huwag mo na idagdag yan kasi irrelevant na yan. So, I'm talking about, pinaikutin mo ako siya, sayang
Yes, sir.
mo oras natin.
Sorry.
No, I'm talking about annotation. So, kahit na certified true copy lang, sabi mo, pero yung kopya ay meron pa rin annotation.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Kaya nga, tinanong kita kanina, and yun ang follow-up sa katanungan ni Senator Jinggoy, sabi mo, you would not have done it.
Yes, sir.
And follow-up tanong ko, why? Na dapat hindi ginawa. At hindi mo ginawa yun, at dapat hindi ginawa nung predecessor mo.
Kasi para sa akin, sir, meron nga annotation, sir. Pero,
Well, no, sir, wag na. Kasi may annotation.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw naman, sir.
Sir,
Ikaw
sir.
naman, Pasko, pinalulungkot mong Pasko namin.
Hindi naman,
Okay. So, may annotation. Anong plano mo ngayon? Dahil alam mo na merong ginawang kapalpakan na for me, tantamount to graft and corruption. Ano ang plano mong gawin dito, pwera na itong deceased, dito kay Engineer Tan, Engineer Narce? What is your plan?
we'll have yun nga po, sir, the Dmci to explain, sir.
No, forget about the Dmci. About your, the two people that used to work with DHSUD. Para ipakita mo sa lahat, sa mga taga-DHSUD, na hindi mo kinukonsinti ang korupsyon. So, anong plano mo?
So, I'll be asking for a clarification, sir, and also I'll be referring it to our legal department, sir, for review, sir.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. So, i-refer mo sa legal para sampahan ang kaso sa ombudsman. Tama? Mali?
For review, sir, but
Kaya nga, for review, pero maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw, kanina pa tayo nag-uusap dito, sabi mo nga, kung ikaw hindi mo papayagan, you would not have done it. For me, I said, there was corruption involved. That's why nakalusot. So sasampahan mo ng kaso para nakikinig tong dalawa, makarating sa kanila na hindi ka tanggap-tanggap sa iyo under your watch ang korupsyon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You hate corruption, yes or no?
yes naman, sir.
Yes naman.
Sir.
Okay. So kakasuhan mo itong dalawa, paimbestigahan mo sa legal department mo para hanggang sa kung nararapat, kakasuhan mo.
Sir, it's not my legal department because I'm just a region, sir. Yung legal department po ng department, central officer.
Kaya nga, which we will recommend.
Yes, sir.
Come on, takot ka rito. Ba't ka takot dito sa dalawa?
Takot
Kaya,
ako sa iyo, sir.
No, I'm sorry. No, kaya nga papaimbestigahan mo sa legal department, ikaw nagrekomenda. Then of course, malaking weight yung recommendation mo. Kasi if I were in your shoe, nakita ko may corruption, I will recommend na ito'y dating nagtatrabaho sa department ko and I want these people be prosecuted. A case filed against them. Ganon dapat. Hindi yung para kang nagdidili-dali.
Yes, sir.
Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As a next hearing, next year, they will be invited. Katabi ka. Now, ang tanong ko ngayon sa iyo, Engineer at Attorney Dural, ano yung, tinanong ko nito for the 100 times na siguro to, ano ang sistemang inilatag mo bilang direktor, bilang RD, mataas ang posisyon mo, para hindi na maulit yung ginawa nitong si Engineer Tan, si Engineer Narce at Engineer Director Alfredo Hiltan, para hindi na maulit?
Sir, I think stricter na lang po sa mga nagre-review, nag-evaluate, sir.
Stricter?
Stricter na evaluation, thorough
House,
evaluation po.
define stricter evaluation. Kasi I'm sure itong si Director Alfredo Hiltan, meron din siyang strict rules, regulations, pero hindi nasunod. Ano nga na para hindi masunod, ay hindi na maulit?
Yun, sir, pag makita pala na kulang, sir, huwag nang tanggapin. Yung ganun lang, sir. Huwag nang
Exactly.
tanggapin. Yes, sir.
And then who makes that decision na para to stop the process for continuing if they see na meron palang problema sa step 1 pa lang?
Doon sa mga evaluator, sir, pag makita nyo, once na matanggap from the records, dapat pagdating kasi hindi naman technical yung mga sinasubmitan, ang nakakakuha naman doon, sir, yung sa record, yung sa, like, na Director, Engineer Corey, sir. Machi-check nila pag kulang, ibalik na lang po, wag ganun, sir. Hindi na ipaprocess.
So sino-sino ang mag-check to make sure na nasusunod yung proseso doon sa sino? Katulad nito, mataas na ito si Alfredo Hiltan, which karango mo to, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ano nga? Nakalusot kay Alfredo Hiltan, sumalangit yung kanyang kaluluwa. Oh,
Before you answer, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Cheese Escudero. Answer?
Yes, sir. Yun po, sir, yung sa pag-evaluate pa lang, sir, pag-evaluate pa lang, dapat po makita na may kulang na, wag na, no ifs, no buts, sir.
then who makes that decision? Nakalusot nga hanggang sa direktor. Ano nga yung ang ginagawa mo ngayon?
Yun, sir. Ang sa evaluator, sir, I will be telling them strongly na kulang yan. Pag kulang, wag nang tanggapin.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, meron ka instruction sa mga evaluator.
Yes, sir.
Paano kung kinasabot may evaluator tulad ng ginawa ni Alfredo Tan? So anong protection ng taong bayan? Kasi ganun din siguro si Alfredo Hiltan. O kaso kinasabot niya.
Yun naman, sir, I trust.
So ano nga ginagawa mo para hindi magkaroon ng sabuatan?
I think, sir,
Hindi mo talaga hindi mo
sir,
nagigit yung tinatanong
bigyan
ko.
po ng cancer warning, sir.
No.
Ang mga consequences of what we do, na if ever nagkakamali, pag kulang, o ganun, sir, they can be,
Ano ba kayo? Computerized kayo? O mano-mano human intervention?
yung pag-submit, sir, kasi mga plano yun, sir, eh. So,
Ay, no nga. Pero siyempre, lahat ng mga transaksyon dyan, hindi ba computerized? Lahat ng...
merong computerized, sir, pero ito kasi...
So, hindi completely computerized. Meron tayong human
Hindi po, sir.
intervention.
Yes, sir,
Yan ang ibig sabihin.
Sorry.
Lahat computerized na. Para makita ng sino man na ito ay nag-submit ng kulang na dokumento at wag na itong i-go, hindi na makarating sa step 2 from step 1. Yun eh. Hindi mo mag-gets-gets eh.
Sorry, sir.
Di ba? Put something like that in place.
Yes, sir.
Nang hindi na ito maulit. Modernize.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Kasi hanggat may human interaction, madaling baluktutin yung sistema. Katulad nito yung director na, kataas-taasan na eh. Di ba? Nakipagsabuhatan pa. O, hanggang ngayon ba, kayo ba yung nagrenta sa Dmci property, yung sa opisina? Kasi nabanggit ata ito ni Senator Cheese Escudero. Meron daw ata kayong mga building na nagrenta kayo sa DMCI?
Sariling kwan po, sir. Dhsud building po talaga yun, sir, sa amin.
Wala kayong mga nirenta?
Wala, sir. Dito, central office at saka NCR, the same building lang po sa may...
So, registered business pala yun. Oh, sorry, it's not corrected. So, gusto ko po, ASAP, and you have to submit to us doon sa gagawin yung improvement, gawin nyo na pong computerized lahat ng transaksyon na nangyari dyan. And when I mean computerized, dapat alam ng lahat and anybody can check, open. Hindi yung kayo lang nagkakaalamanan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.